So over here, you can see that I have a project, and if I were to go around and download this, let's say, for example, if I were to go around and download this right here, then what happens is that I get a downloaded file, but I don't have a transparent background right here. If you want a transparent background for your project, then what you can do is you simply have your objects right here. And what you can do is while you're going around and downloading the project, you can make the background transparent right here. In that case, what happens is that the background content will be discarded right here. In my case, there's the green color. It'll be discarded, and if I were to click on download right here, what happens is that it'll just get downloaded over here, and then you simply don't have the background color right here. It becomes transparent right here, just like this. And that is how you can download your projects with transparent background. So this only works around with a PNG file right here. Like with JPG, you can see that there is no transparent option. And if I were to go to PDF, I don't have that option either. So only with PNG, you have this make background transparent option here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.